I want to tell you about a new workshop I'm putting together on something I use a lot in my own writing. It's called line writing for woodwinds. So I use this technique often for transitions, let's say. Maybe you have one part of a piece and you need to connect it to another one. Then you can write lines that actually carry the music from one place to the next. One of the big ideas is getting away from always thinking in chords and chord progressions. And with line writing, we can turn that around by starting with just a line. And we call this a string, by the way, and then bringing in more lines until we reach a total of 4 voices. Each instrument has something to do and something important to say without just doubling other parts. And that is what I want to explore with you in this workshop. So this is going to be a 5-day workshop in total. And we are going to start very simple. On the first day, we take one little string and we use imitation. That simply means one instrument plays the idea and another instrument follows up on that idea. And right away, you will hear the difference between just stacking notes in a chord and letting the instruments move. Then on day 2, we are going to look at what happens when those moving lines come together, because this is something very important. Horizontal lines also create harmony vertically. Not necessarily valid diatonic chords that you can label clearly, but vertical structures in general. And sometimes those vertical structures can create things you may not have planned. And that's wonderful, because these new ideas can even lead you to new places. Then on day number 3, we open things up even more. Now different lines can have different tonal centers. And while this may sound a bit complex at first, we will keep it all very simple by looking at everything through the intervals. And day 3 is even an entry point into polytonality, which is a fascinating field on its own and one of my personal favorites. And we will talk about these things too. Then on day number 4, we take away even more guidelines. No scale, no root tone anymore, and we just focus on the lines and how they relate to each other. All the 12 tones will become available, but in an organized way. And please don't confuse this with atonality or even random stuff. We still want the line to make musical sense, and we still want to write something that we can remember and sing. Even if we leave the scale behind, we can find our way back in a very musical way. That is one reason why this can work so well for introductions and endings or transitions. And then when we get to day number 5, we start taking these ideas and making more music out of them. Let's write some longer passages and expand on our ideas. And this whole thing is not just about theory, but I want you to actually write. Every day, I'm going to give you something new to try. And if you stick to it, you will leave this workshop not only with fantastic new musical ideas, but you will also have a handful of examples that you can easily use to showcase your skills and your ability to follow musical storytelling. I will be there giving feedback every day. And the whole group of interval magicians will also be there to support you. In the end, we all grow together and more efficiently than anyone could do on their own. And please don't forget that these techniques are just the tools. The music that comes out of these 5 days is the actual star of the show and the important part. And my hope is that when you finish these 5 days, you will have another way to think about line writing when you sit down to compose. So the workshop and the feedback sessions will take place inside the Circle of Interval Magicians, our active and outstanding community of interval composers. So if this sounds interesting to you, come and join me for the Line Writing for Woodwinds workshop inside the Circle of Interval Magicians. Bring your DAW or a music notation software of your choice, or even a pencil and some music paper, whatever works for you. But most importantly, bring your ears, because we are going to write some interesting stuff and see where it takes us. See you inside, and best always.